Anna here, Director of Client Services at LeadLove, helping you get the most out of your HubSpot subscription. And today we will be talking about Prospecting Tool of HubSpot. That tool is in beta right now, so if you would like to access it, you would need to enroll in that beta, and we will link another video where I talk about how to enroll in HubSpot betas and how to view all of the product updates and things like that in the description of this video as well. So once you enroll, you will be able to access it by clicking Sales, Prospecting. You will land on this screen where you will see all of your to-dos, tasks, to-dos, emails, and calls, and then meetings where you can toggle between monthly, weekly, quarterly for your goals. You will also be able to see tasks due today or overdue and be able to click on it and view all the related records as well. You can also see your calendar if you have your calendar connected here with all the meetings, and also if you have the due tasks due today, which I don't have right now. They will be shown here by the time where you set the task due date. And for sequences, once you enroll people in sequences, you'll be able to see the progress here as well. Schedule part of things, here you will be able to see different meetings that you have on your calendar today, this week, this month, and toggle between different months. And then feed, you will be able to see all of the activity types, email opens, email clicks, sent emails, things like that through your sequences, lead visits, prospect visits on your website, document views, meeting links and forms that you have set up. If you have any questions, put them in the comment below. Thank you.